Sunita Williams and Butch Wilmore will be finally returning to Earth after spending nearly 9 months in space. Crew 10 has finally reached the International Space Station, ISS. It will replace Sunita Williams' Crew 9.
Approach. Traveling with a range rate of less than 0.082, which, as you mentioned earlier, it continues to get slower and slower as we make this final approach.
Pretty good. 5 meters.
Copy, 5 meters.
So the next call we should hear is chop, or that crew hands off period, followed moments later by docking.
That typically comes at about 2 meters away from the International Space Station. Right now we're less than 4 meters away. Less than 3 meters away.
Pretty good. 2 meters. Crew hands off.
Copy, hands off.
There is the chop call.
Standing by for initial contact of Dragon to the International Space Station.
Dragon contact and soft capture complete.
And there you heard Dragon has successfully docked to the International Space Station. We have contact and soft capture confirmed.
Her replacement, Crew 10, was docked to the International Space Station, ISS, on Sunday, March 16th. After a 2-day handover period between Crew 10 and Crew 9, the latter is expected to return to Earth on March 19th. Starliner astronauts Sunita Williams and Butch Wilmore are part of Crew 9. The Crew 10, a replacement crew, on board SpaceX's Falcon 9 rocket, took off from NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Florida at 7:03 p.m. ET on March 14th. It is expected to arrive at ISS around 11:30 p.m. ET, Saturday, which is around 9 a.m. IST, Sunday, March 15th. The Crew 10 members will officially become members of Expedition 72 after taking over duties and responsibilities from the departing members. SpaceX in a recent post on X confirmed Falcon 9 first stage booster landing and stated, "Landing confirmed, marking the 400th time a Falcon 9 first stage booster has landed." Sunita Williams officially handed over ISS command to Russian cosmonaut Alexei Ovchinin, who will lead operations for the next 6 months. Crew 10 astronauts are set to arrive at the ISS on Saturday, March 15th, at 11:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Williams and Butch Wilmore will depart on March 19th, alongside NASA astronaut Nick Hague and Russian cosmonaut Alexander Gorbanov, NASA stated. For Crew 10 crew enter ISS after opening hatches between Space Station and SpaceX Dragon. NASA astronauts Anne McClain and Nicole Ayres, JAXA, Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency, astronaut Takuya Onishi, and Roscosmos cosmonaut Kirill Peskov entered the International Space Station shortly after opening the hatches between the Space Station and the SpaceX Dragon spacecraft at 1:35 a.m. EDT.